Alyssa Molina was the one that came in with that smoking fast 17.149. Is she close to the gate? Does anybody see her over there? She's got a victory lap to make. Alrighty, we're gonna bring in, oh wait, did we find her? Is that her? Yeah! Alright, let's hear it for Alyssa Molina from Gerber, California. And Katie Collins packing our Dunn Ranch flag. Dunn Diamond D Ranch flag.
Yeah, Alyssa!
Alright, in the senior barrels, we're gonna drag every 7. So what that means is the first 7 are going to be Emma Deno, Haley Jewett, Gracie Bowles, Hunter Kendall, Sydney Parlato, Manzi McAllister, and Cora Killoran. Let's hear it one more time for